Salam everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as always. And as you guys can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you guys part 2 of my kitchen organization, and today we are doing pots and pans. So if you haven't watched part 1, make sure to click the button above and go and watch part 1. So basically all I'm doing right now is just laying out all of the things that I'll be using, and the first thing that I'm going to jump right into are actually organizing the lids of all my pots and my pans. And I just have these wire holdings, and some of them are metal as well as plastic, and this is just going to hold all of the lids, and it's just a more space efficient and aesthetically pleasing way to organize something like this. So as you can see, I finished organizing all of the lids, and now we're going to be moving on to the actual pots and pans. So all of these are by my favorite brand, All Clad, and I will have a link down in the description below so that you guys can go check them out and purchase some sets of your own. And I have 2 different sets over here, and they are both from the Essentials Non-Stick collection. And I'm just going to show you guys one of my favorite ones that I use daily to make soups and sauces for pizza and pasta. I love these and I use them daily. Storing your pots and pans are always a bit tricky, but over here I have these fabric cookware protectors that I just simply bought from Target. You can really find these anywhere, and they come in different colors so that you can use them to layer your pots and pans, that you don't scratch them or anything doesn't get on them. You just want to make sure that you're protecting your pans because these are non-stick and you don't want to scratch them up. So now I'm starting off with the widest pan, and I'm just going to layer the fabric protector right on top of it, and I'm just starting off with the largest one because the protectors do come in different sizes. And then I'm going to go with the medium sized pan, layer one more on top of that, and then the smallest pan. And I'm going to do the same exact thing when it comes to the pots as well. So now moving on to these items that are kind of standalone, and over here I have my All Clad grill, which is my favorite thing to ever use in this kitchen. I use it daily and I have a lot of videos uploaded with me using them, so I hope you go check them out. Then I have this very thin pan, and this is a stainless steel All Clad item that I have. And again, this grill, use it to make sandwiches, burgers, anything, you name it. And right now, just like I did in part 1, I am layering down this silicone sheet just as a protective layer so that also my pans have somewhat of a grip on them when I put them down on my cabinet. Okay, as you can see, we are jumping straight into the final touches. I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of exactly how I organized it. As you can see, my cabinet is split in half, the top level and the bottom level. For the top, I have a 3-piece set, which is on the left side, my flat pan and my grill on the right, and just one rack of lids up in the front. And on the bottom side, I just have my larger pans and pots on the left, the stainless steel, which is on the right, and 2 racks of lids up in the front. That is all for today. I'm just going to give you guys one more quick run through, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this very quick and short and fun, simple organization. And I really hope you join me in part 3, which is the last part of this kitchen organization series. If you liked what you saw, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, I will see you in part 3. Ciao!